So today we have come to use this pattern that we drafted earlier on. This is the upper bodies that we drafted earlier on before the pants bodies. So I'm going to alter, like I showed you before, I'm going to alter this. But here I noticed that I added like extra 1 inch because I want this to be kind of fitted, extra 1 inch to this. So I'm going to replace that 1 inch here. I'm going to just point it all out, so here is kind of okay. So I have traced all these bodies and my darts. I'm going to use my dart ruler and connect the lines. I'm going to minus 5 from here, which is somewhere here. So I will make a straight line from that place. I'll add like 0.75 inch to this. So I'm going to cut out right away. So I'm going to do the same, also to trace out the back pattern. I'm going to use the same old procedure, pinning and so on. I've traced everything out. I'm going to remove my pin right away. Sorry that I did it off camera, but I have shown you before with the front block. I'm going to cut out like this one is ×1 and this one is ×1. So guys, I was able to get something out of this remaining fabric that I cut out from the pant side. So instead of me to waste it, I'm going to cut 2 panels from it. Here is supposed to be the center of this fabric. So since I have added like this inches, I don't have to add any other inch, but to shift a little more. Also shift up small, then pin down my fabrics. So I'm going to repeat the same process of pinning, shift a little bit and then pin. So I'm placing my stripe here, so it's necessary for you to pin also. So guys, I'm going to stitch all this fabric together. guys, I have ironed my sewed patterns and my sew panels. So this is the dart part, this is the dart part. So I'm advising everybody, if you are sewing, sew, iron, then remove unwanted threads. So guys, after running my stitches or after putting my darts, I went inside and ironed my darts so that it will be flat and cool. So I decided to run my darts under my armhole so that it will give me the curve that I needed. As you all can see, it will make the bust not to be flat. So this is how it looks like, as if they attach a wording on it, but I didn't attach anything. So I decided to iron or press down my dart so that it will be neat and flat. So I'm going to run my stitches and shape my bodies, then we are good to go. I'm going to go in with 1 inch. Always remember the inches that you added to it.